Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to open private browsing in Safari on a MacBook, how to make it the default mode, and how to switch it back to normal browsing. Private browsing is useful when you don't want Safari to save your search history, visited pages, or temporary website data for that session. Let's begin. Go to your dock and click the Safari icon to open the browser. Once Safari is open, move to the top of your screen and click File in the menu bar. You'll see several options here. To open a private browsing window, click New Private Window. Safari will open a separate window in private mode. You'll usually notice a darker address bar or a message letting you know that private browsing is active. While using this window, Safari does not keep a record of pages you visit, recent searches, or autofill details entered during that session. This means when you close the private window, that browsing session is not saved in normal history. Keep in mind websites, your internet provider, or your network may still be able to see activity, so private browsing mainly prevents local history from being stored on your Mac. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now, once you are done using private browsing, simply close that private window by clicking the red Close button in the top left corner. After closing it, you can continue using your normal Safari windows. If Safari is fully closed, just click the Safari icon in the dock again to open it normally. Now let's see how to make private browsing open by default every time Safari starts. Click Safari in the top menu bar, then choose Preferences. Inside Preferences, click the General tab. Look for the option that controls what Safari opens with new windows. Depending on your macOS version, you may see an option related to opening with a new private window. Select that option if available. From now on, Safari will start in private browsing mode whenever you open it. If you later want to disable this and go back to normal browsing, return to Safari Settings, then General. Change that same option back to a regular new window or your preferred home page. After that, Safari will open normally again. And that's it. You now know how to open private browsing, close it, set it as default, and disable it again in Safari on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.